Enterprise software development often feels like trying to run a sprint while dragging a warehouse behind you. Teams are weighed down by accumulated complexity. That operational drag comes from a dense mix of aging legacy systems, highly fragmented tool chains, and sprawling hybrid environments patched together over many years. Despite these bottlenecks, IT leaders and developers are under immense pressure to modernize their infrastructure and ship updates faster than ever. But injecting raw speed into a tangled, heavy system does not automatically create business agility. It usually just amplifies the operational friction that is already there. This is where standard AI coding assistants enter the picture, offering a seductive promise: the ability to write code at incredible speeds. The problem arises when you apply unguided code generation to a messy enterprise codebase. When rapid-fire AI code hits the system, it creates massive architectural blind spots. Because it generates so quickly, this new code bypasses standard review and slips into production unchecked. Getting this wrong has severe consequences. Organizations face strict compliance violations, new security vulnerabilities, and modernization budgets that drain rapidly without showing verifiable results. Deploying fast AI without embedded guardrails creates a cycle of accelerated risk, rather than true technological progress. IBM Bob was designed specifically to bridge this gap between raw AI speed and the tight control that enterprise environments require. Bob integrates natively into every stage of the software development lifecycle, or SDLC, moving the focus from isolated code snippets to the entire delivery pipeline. This diagram illustrates Bob's agentic platform. It coordinates specialized, role-based AI agents to handle discovery, planning, design, coding, testing, and deployment. Directly into every phase of this workflow, the platform embeds enforced architectural standards, reusable playbooks, and automated tool calling. Developers keep their hands on the steering wheel by configuring specific checkpoints. They can set up manual reviews for highly sensitive changes or enable auto-approvals for routine task types. By natively automating the full lifecycle, engineering teams achieve high-velocity output while maintaining absolute architectural control and necessary human oversight. Right now, enterprises waste a significant amount of engineering effort trying to manage and select the right AI models from a rapidly evolving landscape. Bob solves this through multi-model orchestration, automatically routing tasks to the best-suited model. It optimizes accuracy, latency, and cost, using models like Anthropic Claude, Mistral, and IBM Granite. Simpler tasks go to lighter models. Complex logic goes to the heavy lifters. Security is integrated directly into this routing. Prompt normalization, sensitive data scanning, and AI red teaming happen concurrently within the workflow, rather than being tacked on as an afterthought. To ensure compliance, developers use a command line interface called Bob Shell. This creates self-documenting agentic processes in real time, ensuring every single action is fully traceable and auditable from start to finish. This architecture shifts the engineering focus entirely. Teams stop treating model selection as an ongoing experiment and start executing verifiable business results. This is not experimental technology. Bob is currently deployed and in active use by over 80,000 IBM employees worldwide. Across modernization, security, and new development, surveyed users report an average productivity gain of 45%. For specific teams, the numbers climb. IBM Instana developers recorded a 70% reduction in time on selected tasks, saving 10 hours every week. External clients are seeing similar velocity. Cloud solutions company Blue Pearl used Bob to compress a standard 30-day Java upgrade into just 3 days, finishing with 0 post-deployment defects. For government systems burdened by decades of technical debt, APIS IT utilized the platform to untangle and migrate complex .NET services in a matter of hours instead of weeks. These metrics confirm Bob is already functioning as a highly effective engine for large-scale legacy modernization. Every massive global enterprise across the world is currently locked in an intense race to modernize their digital infrastructure. But in this environment, raw model capability alone is not enough to win. Success depends on deployment, how it structures context, and keeping humans in the loop. IBM Bob fulfills this mandate by freeing developers to completely automate mundane tasks, while augmenting their ability to navigate complicated, deeply embedded logic. Enterprises can finally step away from fragmented, risky coding experiments.
and move directly into the secure, governed execution of production-ready software delivery.